now what we're gonna do is that we got the ground floor level, right? Okay, we got this level. If I show you in the section, so we got this level. So our structure will begin from the plinth level. Base columns will be connected here at the plinth level, that is 1 feet and 6 inches from the ground level. So our structure will be from here. Okay, some structural designers prefer to make the structure from base, so from this portion, that is the top of the footing. But what I think is that as this portion is inside the ground, the behavior of this portion and this portion is different in the earthquake. That is why we must start from here, that is from above the ground. And this you see, this portion over you see this section, so these are the tie beams. So the thing that we just drew are the tie beams. So these all are the tie beams. So now what we'll do, we'll copy these all beams. So let us copy them, Control A. Okay, no. So now what we'll do, we'll select all these beams. So go to beams cursor and select the beams like this. You must have become an expert in this thing now. And what we will use, we will use the translational repeat option. Now we are translationally repeating in the y direction. And number of steps we got, how many steps we got? So let us see in the AutoCAD if you are confused. So this is the one step, this is second step, and this is, let us draw this step as well, and we'll delete the unwanted thing. So 1, 2 and 3 steps. So we are confirmed that we got 3 steps. Okay, so 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. Now we want the distance between these steps. The height of the ground floor is 9 feet and 4 inches, and let us measure it just to be sure. Yes, it's 9 feet and 4 inches. So what we're gonna now do is that keep the first step as 9 feet and 4 inches. Okay, so let us convert it to the feet and inches, and let us use the calculator this time. So 9 feet plus 4 divided by 12, it's how much? 9.3 feet. And the next step, so first step is 9.3 feet. Okay, so let's place that. Number of steps, let's have 3. The first step is 9.3. Next step is, I think again it's 9 feet and 3 inches, but just to be sure. Okay, yeah, so let's take that measurement here. Yeah, it's 9 feet and 4 inches. So let's place 9 feet and 9.3 feet, and again let us measure what this height is. From here it should be somewhat less. Okay, it's again 9 feet and 4 inches. Good for us. 9.3. And what we will use, we will use link steps option. And after that, what we're gonna do, we will just click on OK. Now let us see the 3D view or the isometric view. Okay, yeah, we got our structure, and let us take some measurements again just to be sure. So this was 11 feet and 6 inches. Yes. 13 feet and 6 inches. Yes. This was 11 feet and 6 inches. 13 feet and 6 inches. Okay, great. 9 feet 3 inches. 9 feet 3 inches, and it must be 9 feet and 3 inches. So let us remove this.